Hi, I'm Elgin.
I'm Jeremy
And we're from the Boys Brigade. The Boys Brigade is basically a uniform group that helps us boys grow into mature men.
The Boys Brigade also has a variety of activities that allow us to develop our discipline and leadership skills.
All these activities are usually carried out during our parades, and we have our officers and seniors to help us with that.
Yeah, I feel really thankful that we have so many officers and seniors to help guide us along the way. It really makes it feel like a big family.
Are you curious about what we do during the parades? Come, follow me. The most common activities that we usually do during parades is the drill training. Although it may seem like tough work, but it looks so cool when we get it right. And it also helps us build our teamwork, discipline and self-confidence. Not to mention how good we look in our uniforms. Oh, gotta go. Other than drills, we also usually play sports at games because it helps us keep fit and healthy, and also it helps us build our teamwork and friendship. Usually we play different kinds of sports, but today we are playing soccer and frisbee. Okay, I'm off to join them.
Besides drills and sports, we also learn adventure skills, first aid and general life skills. Sometimes on special occasions, we get to go out of school to learn how to kayak, get to try out archery and air rifle shooting. But today we're doing tent pitching. Let's go have a look.
Other side also, other side. Other side, rolling other side. We're rolling other side.
All of our activities look fun so far, right? But because of this pandemic, it's harder to meet up in person to have our weekly parades. So we have moved some of our weekly parades to online parades. And during these virtual parades, we do some indoor activities, but at the comfort of our own homes.
I think from what I get from Elgin, he wants to be better definitely here in terms of drills and all that, okay? And he's hoping also not to get punished that much, okay?
My name is Alex and I'm an officer in the Boys Brigade, and I used to be a student here in Jurong West Secondary School. The video you have seen is just a short glimpse of what BB has to offer. We have much more activities here such as camps, outings and community service. To me, the Boys Brigade is such a big family, and my experiences and the soft skills I've learned have helped me find the success in school and where I am right now. I hope that you put BB as your first choice, and see you soon.